water doesn't run uphill, so you don't need to plug them off. Just made our first connection, filling the second dam, making our turn. It's going to be a little rocky here. Looks like they got her turning. Here's where the two filler hoses come through the connection collar for the second dam. Got Smitty out there working awful hard, or doing nothing, I guess. Everybody's taking 5 on its filler. Be about 650 feet to 700 feet total use. We're going to make a great big U-turn coming from right there all the way around them stakes, right back around the excavator, right back to the crane mats